Nana. How are you?
I'm looking good.
Oh, okay. I know that you are looking good. And I'm traveling, and I want to go and check one or two things over some place. And I'm talking to you, and then you are planning on the phone.
I'm checking the
But listen to me before you go there.
Oh, okay, I'm listening.
So I'm going there, so I'll come maybe 1 week time. So you and the girls and everybody over here to work good. Okay? Do you understand me? Work everything good. Okay. It's very good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So I'm going, so take good care of this place. The workers and everybody. Anything goes on.
About the money.
The money.
The month is ending.
Give me your number, I'll send it to you.
I don't need sending. Anything can happen. I'll be almost network busy, network busy. So you can put it in. Give it to me. Okay, collect the money. Collect the number. Then we'll send.
You don't want cash. Your number, you're using the old one for the old one.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I will send it to you.
So you are going to where?
I'm going to that is what is that place?
Nigeria.
No, not Nigeria. No, Nigeria. Why am I going to Nigeria? I'm going to Accra. So I will come back. After I come back, anything goes, anything comes. Please, what this place? Nana,
watch.
Nana, please. Okay. All right. So I'm going. I will see you later. Okay. And tell the guy. The canteen guy, the one that watch the food.
Yeah.
Tell that you should work everything okay. When somebody's come or anything, you go there and check it for yourself. Okay? Where is this thing, the gate, the gate man? You should come and open the gate.
He's there.
He's there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bana wunya tekukura da nyame ase. Se wo bana wunya tekukura da nyame ase. Wo de he meja me utukwan. Nigeria ho friend say enka ho de na akoye. De ba na akoye. Nigeria ni a wo pa Africa bo. Wo kwa nkana. Asem. Na mbesho hotel ama. Amonu no wa he. Ubi akwa he. Ahi na ubi akwa.
O me se kai ba.
Kai ba ka mo abe. Kai ba ka mo abe. Ya ne ko fia won tun to bi ni.
Aha na
Ah be pa to say manager the jam wo tukwa. I am the owner of this hotel.
Manager nyako.
Woko.
No de jam.
O de he jam.
Se ni yewu.
Aha ya nyi obi a. Anti manager ko. Say we didn't pass some me. May you were doing shabby. When I used to crew up on the shabby.
The manager also do what you did, Papa.
Now, may your phone. May your phone.
Oh, themselves, yes, I don't know so good in the Chijam. Me cram me also could jamming. So, who hang in our pitching Yafa? Who can be our manager?
Acho, bueno. Isa wodi crazy cushion I was showing. And I will call my customers in my.
No manager what the head she was say. She saw and I say you'll be a good.
Hey, me na miss me shaha. So would you pass as my baby working?
Open before
you came.
Before you came, I was. And your mom will run it.
Maybe before you came, then
I was. That
means I was before you came.
Really?
Yeah, exactly.
Do you want to try to
exactly
tell me the English?
Yeah. What the English?
Come on, Mama, come get him. I don't know, yes, sir. Who did you put too much? I don't know. Me no tia boko. Me no to say
I kwase for hotel ni ana. Sa hotel we answer na meda ase no. Na bra wa beda hotel ase no. Me na ya bu asia makatachie be ma tesamia. Me hwa ase so. E ma ni kwase sa wa.
Le so beto ma.
Me ma ni kwase sa wa.
Say me catch you say o free. I want to free aba. O say free aba. Me ma kwa.
Who anya adwuma
market on the wall
yɛyɛ nneɛma management ne yɛ adwuma kama wabɔ dam kuru waba no nhyɛ biem
ɛsɛ yɛ de manager bɔ
nhyɛ biem w'anim tiatia sɛ ayi kokoro mu
medase nyɛ no abibi ɛnyɛ kɔnfo de no bayale ya ɛnyɛ kɔnfo de no bayale ya
aha etu ba yɛ me den
me nka
wakasa ba me den yɛ na ba yɛ
o panyi ti me de sabo wa mateme kwana so
ɛne akoma no
ya no sɛ me yɛ dina nkɔhyɛ mbaabi tu de ɛntwɛ manager mla why so me di sɛ
me pa cho nyama sese mi ana mo ha se fie du kura mi ana mo ha se wote
manager metuma dwom ha me twa 2 years wa ma me free ha why
who twa 2 years wɔ he
ɛwɔ ha aha okay sɛ boso me kwana so wɔde gya wana so na ɔka wɔde boso
me pa cho bi a wɔ me sai
ɛne fo sika ma
ɛno na de kokoro mbɛba no
mimi sika ni
ɛno na kyerɛ sɛ du ɛde kokoro mbɛba wɔnim sɛ ɔwɔ
na no me free
wo bɛbu nipa
wo me free
wo free he
ka wo so kura jai
na so free he
me free kwa me dan so
ba yɛ kurom ata na afase ɛnya afase ne apona ya
sɛ bia yo dente ho
dente ana mutu budu
ana sɛ bia nkate na sɛ bia ba bɛfa bia ba mo tɔn why
menyen aboa me tɔn kate aham tu tɔn kate
wo panyina no
ɔtua ma bɔde sɛ
wo de wo ye jawo a mani da so die o po bi di ha gya no pa ɛne ka ne anamfo nyankrama mo hɔ yi na ne ehu sɛ nkrama na hwɛ so papa de sɛ yawu